Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we are making broccoli, cheese, and quichelorraine. Easy as pie. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, as I was saying, we're making quiche today. We're going to make two different kinds. As I was saying earlier, we're going to make quichelorraine, and we're going to make broccoli cheese quiche. Now, in this pan, I have a little bit of onions. I just kind of melted them. I cooked them, which means cook them really slowly. Now, usually with quichelorraine, you're supposed to cook the bacon in there. I don't do that. It makes a mess. So I just cook it in the microwave. Now, what I want to show you is how I cook bacon in the microwave, which is pretty cool. I take 2 pieces of paper towel. I usually don't cut them in half. I just use the natural rib there. Then I laid 4 slices in here, okay? It's about 4 minutes. I fold it over, and what this does is it keeps the bacon grease from splattering all over the place, and the bacon cooks evenly in the microwave. Now I'm going to just pull these beans out of here, and I'll show you how I'm going to fill the crusts in just a second. Okay? For the quichelorraine, we have Swiss cheese, kind of shredded up, and I've got some Parmesan cheese and a little shot of tiny little sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Then for the broccoli cheese quiche, I've got Monterey Jack cheese and sharp cheddar cheese and a little bit of Parmesan cheese and a little sprinkle of what do you call those, hot pepper flakes. Then we've got our broccoli florets. Florets means just smaller, okay? Okay, so now we have quichelorraine and we have the broccoli quiche. I'm going to pour this over it. I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, you don't want to overfill it, okay? And I've got the eggs and the cream. I use half and half. I don't use cream. They say use milk. Some recipes say use milk. Some recipes say use cream. I like to use half and half because it's like the best of both worlds. Okay, so I'm going to fill it like 3/4 because I don't want it to overflow, okay? And then I'm going to do the same thing. And as long as you have all your ingredients ready, you can knock out, quiche in like 15-20 minutes. And then what's great is you can cool it off and you can eat it cold. You can take it for lunch. It's just a great all-inclusive meal. You couple this with a salad and it's just delicious. All right, I'm going to bake these off and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, the quiche are out of the oven. And what I'm going to do is how I test them. I'm going to take a thin-bladed knife. You see? Just going to stick it in the middle. If it comes out clean, quiche is done. What do you know? Quiche is done. Same thing with broccoli quiche. Comes out clean, it's done. Okay, out of the oven, cooled for an hour, cut, and beautiful quichelorraine on the left, and broccoli quiche on the right. Simple as pie. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.